Right, so Jaswinder, I can see you've got a lovely selection of dals here, and I know certain types require pressure cooking and others don't. With pressure cooking, I guess because we're not discarding the water, it sort of retains the potassium.
It retains it, yes.
Do you want to maybe talk me through the different types of dals you've got here?
Yeah, we've got 3 dals here. So chickpeas, urad dal and red kidney beans. Quite hard pulses, so we can get rid of potassium by soaking these overnight. Or if
and when you discard the water, that sort of gets rid of the potassium.
Yeah, that gets rid of the potassium. Or we can go a step further by boiling these for another 10-15 minutes in fresh water and discard that water.
Because potassium is water soluble, by the process of boiling and then throwing the water away, that sort of leaches out the potassium.
And then finally we'd add some fresh water.
Okay.
And then we would pressure cook those.
Okay.
But that water stays in the dal.
So Jaswinder, I can see these are some of the dals which maybe don't require so much pressure cooking. Do you want to talk us through the different types and how you prepare them?
Yes, Amman. This is a brown dal, it's called morph. Black-eyed beans, red lentils without the skin. This is the black chickpea without skin. And that's a moong dal without skin. Okay, usually it's green. And this brown dal, it's the same as the red lentils, but with the skin on, okay?
And I know sometimes we can be a bit short on time.
Yep.
Certain sort of tinned versions can be really helpful because they've already been soaked in water. So all we need to do is sort of discard the water, and that reduces the potassium, and all you really need to do is wash them. So these don't need to be boiled in order to reduce the potassium.